After winning both the Gothia Cup and the Helsinki Cup, Mekam Krao Nongran has become a name celebrated not just by Minerva Academy, but by football fans across the country. Hailing from Mairang in West Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, Mekam Krao returned home to an outpouring of love and pride from his family and the community. We visited his home in Mairang to meet his family and parents, who share with us his journey from his early days to becoming one of the young footballers, making Meghalaya proud on international stage.
Con ấy ai ngồi ủ lấy cái bao loạt đó các khăm tâm ấy cái gì sớm của chúng ấy u là ai rồi khuôn ăn ngon vậy can thấy vậy serang hai là pini liên bang cái sắp cái bao lấy u ai hello trong khuôn trong cái đây hak por bao đăng đòn cùng ba san san ấy hak por ngam wadang apa ngam dam poi perkhat lên ngam đòn trong mut bao khuôn un poi bao trăng ban yele cái football.
His father says that when his son was just 5 or 6 years old, he began teaching him the basics of football himself. At the age of 7, Mekam Krao joined La Liga Football Academy in Sanchong. A year later, he moved to Little Star Academy in Binh Thien, where he spent around a year and a half developing his skills. His hard work eventually paid off. In 2024, at just 10 years old, Mekam Krao was selected by Minerva Academy, marking the beginning of the journey that would take him to the international stage.
Hadin hajing yal ti ko jongi ni stay teng nga kum ukpa por ba ni mi swa mi na yeng teng ha yal jong khun yala subo hijing luai ba hading tung yala po stay hading dang mot ba ni kum himi pa nga trai ba ngin yo i le ngin don kat por ba kitrai ta kum nga kum ukpa te na teng hajing mo perkat dangkat ba i pa jong udonal ba sa lang haju ka hotel kamra hapo hotel marwe nga kuslai kamsim nomor ba u tip kumno kan jia yu khon mo prokalong ke jingu burom ke jingu ke de shwa shaki de ling ba ke jongki ba kila ba ula ban le ban simata stay ban yoru ya ke jingjom kamtam e hakini ki liki ba per kamtam e stay sapo ri Europe te ba de ke jaka ka bala kam bet banyele kai football banya nujor ba kontinent Asia lani kamtam e ka ri India ka jungi hagajing yele ke jongi ngi ikum pa angi ngakum pa teng supay ling ba i mobile mo hagi por kataru hapo dukan ala supay ling ba i mobile hagajing le kai jong khon le jong teng hagajing ba haga jing pe kai gum to ta kamsiam to yola jong khon de kano hi teng hak por ba yo tab fast goal hapo Helsinki ka bedai ka fast goal fast tour goal jong u teng nga ka por nga yam ban nga ayu u play ba ula kerku mo lang ba kasap ko ba khon udon ya ka ba ula ai teng ku pa ngamla khamda jaw gi oman ba ta por tuai ba dam hu play ba ulay ula jupap gen ya ka yin ko jongi ha jing perkhat ko ja ha jing sha ade ben yo pej mo yu jong khon ak tu por ba u le kai da perkhat ba de hajing wa haga jing bombiang haga yeng ka sam ko jing na mar ngimi na ka long yeng ka ba dok ta kham jing e ka yang i kum khimi pa ba ngin lechta ha wala dang i leng ba i mobile ru kini ki e baro kidi ki jing pa ya ba start ka jong ublai
na ka jing sarong kum pa ban i makna ta mobile e songka parlo
em ya ai ha em ya ta te kalong ka wei ha kumuk bang nga don kata kam sim sorong tang bang ka wei ngalong ba ini dang dai i dang long thum kang tangkum i sambai i barit ba u sedang ban te udong kam ban pen ba la ni ban sarai ni sambai khang ba ila ban he ban san shu bat ban yo ban i tu so bat ban yo tu so ba u trang bat ka ngi kum ka yeng ngi kwa